Hi everyone, welcome back. So in these previous videos, when I was covering the architecture, I was talking about whenever you authors will do the authoring in the Google Drive or in the SharePoint, the documents will be updated, and the architecture says there is an adapter called Google Docs Markdown adapter or the Word Markdown adapter, which will transform the documents to the Markdown first, and then later on we have the pipeline services which will convert the markdowns to the hypermedia. So what is Markdown? Markdown is nothing but the extension we use is MD files, and if we all use the GitHub repository, we must have seen the README file which ends with the extension MD.MD. So what I have done, I have created a MD file, the Markdown file, and what is Markdown? It's nothing but the lightweight markup language. Likewise, we have the HTML. The similar way we have the lightweight markup language. It actually formats the elements to plain text document. That is it. That's it. And we have syntax for different elements. So for example, we have heading 1, 2, 3, and so on up to heading 6. For bold, we have some syntax. For italics, we have some syntax. For ordered list, we have some syntax. Unordered list, etc. Link, horizontal line, strike through, superscript, subscript. So what I have done just for this demo purpose, I have created this Markdown file, and I will just explain what syntax we can use for which element. Okay, so if we see here, I have used hash, and there is a space after hash. If I don't put this space, then of course it is not the correct syntax. So for hash is used for heading 1. So if I preview it, this is the heading 1. If I want to change it to heading 2, I'll just add one more hash and it will convert it to heading 2. So maybe what I will do, I'll just copy paste it here and let it remain hash so that we can see the difference. And in the second one, I will write heading 2 if I want to convert it to maybe smaller 1, 3, 4, 5, up to 6 it supports. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, we just need to add more hashes. For 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we can see that, we can preview it, and we see the difference, different headings coming. So simple, we can add hash. Then for bold, if you want to make anything bold, then we'll use the star symbol, double star for bold. And I think if I'm not wrong, we can use but somewhere I read that we can use underscore also. Let me try trying bold with underscore. Preview it. Yes, so with underscore also it supports, but what I would suggest, within the document we should have a uniformity. So either use double, I would prefer star instead of underscore, but yeah, underscore is also supported. For italics is just single star, and I think same will go with one single underscore also. So trying italics with single underscore. Let's see if it works. It should work though. Yeah, here itself I can see that it is formatting it to, yeah, it is also working. And I think a combination will also work. So for example, if I want to have a word which should be bold as well as italic, what I will do, so 2 star for bold and 1 star for italics, and this is my bold and italics example, and again 3. So now it's bold as well as italics, and the combination will also work. We can use underscore as well, so I'll just change it to underscore, and here also I will change it. That will also work. Yeah, so that will also work. So let's move on. Then we can have ordered list. Ordered list is simple. Whenever we need ordered list, we'll just have number list A, list B, and so on. It will create the list. It's simple. Ordered list. Yeah, list A and list B added. Okay, thing to notice here, so I have created 1 2 3 and then again 1 2, but in the preview the actual code which is generated, it's having 1 2 3 4 5. So it means it doesn't matter what you have written here, it will create the order list. For unordered list, we need to put this minus sign and then with a space, and then it will be unordered list. I have not tried, but can we do that? This thing, list EE. I think we need to put I remember the documentation, either we need to put tab. So what I will do, I'll just tab. Okay, I will put the tab or 4 times spaces tab. So let's see if it works. List. Okay, anyways, I think let's move on. Link example is very simple. For link, what we need to do is in bracket, we need to specify the title, and in the braces we need to provide the URL. So for example, if I want to say Google, and then I will put it like this, and in the bracket I'll just write google.com. If I'll preview it, it will become a link. Yeah. Okay, one more thing to notice here, the title and Google, there is no break line after title. What we can do for that, so just put one more space. If you want to break it, we want to put one more line, one more space, we just need to put a space. And now title and Google both are in separate lines, new lines. Okay, horizontal line, you just need to put minus 3 times, and so on. We can put more also, but minimum 3 is required. It will create a line. If you want to do that strike through, that is also simple. We need to give this tilt sign 2 times. Then we need to provide the text to be cut, and then again we can see it here itself, it's reflecting. Okay, superscript, it's actually this one, the cap symbol, but in the Git version it doesn't support. So I have just added the HTML tag one. This one will also work. So I mean, as per Markdown, this is the right syntax, just to use the cap symbol. And for subscript, we'll just use the tilt symbol before and after whatever we want to make the subscript. So it will look like this. This one in the Git version, it's not working. We see this is actually not working. The one which is working where I have added the HTML sub and sub element. Yeah. So that's it in this video. Now what we have understood is the adapter what we have, it is converting the Google document or the SharePoint document to such type of MD document. That is what is happening here. And after these MD documents are there, we have pipeline services. These pipeline services are used to convert these documents to hypermedia here, which is understood by our www, the World Wide Web Internet. Thank you so much for watching.